Diary by Brett. I found a diary underneath a tree and starting reading about me. The words you read took me by surprise. Read never ended in your eyes. They said that she had found the love she